first condition, what if you have an empty list? Very simple, if both the first and last are null, it means the list is empty. Let us see the display method what is being written. Temporary is equal to first. So, temporary is equal to first. What is the first value? Null. If temporary is equal to null, list is empty. So, there is no value in the list. So, list is empty and written out of the function. Simple. If you have content in the singly linked list, the condition could be, by using the first variable, we can traverse the complete list. What will be the condition? You observe, the first value is 200. 200 is pointing to the memory that has the address 200 and it has two fields, information and next. Now, first to print the information, what I will be doing? First of next or any variable 200 of next 3 will be printed. Then after we know the 100 value, that is the address of next node. By holding the 100 value, we can access the information of 100 and next field. Then what we will do? 100 of information, that is 4, that will be printed. Then we can access the information that is there in the next field 300, which is pointing to the next node. In the next node, what we are having? Information and field. Information 5 will be printed and in the next field we are having 500. So, 500 is nothing but the address of next node. In the next node, what is the information? 8, and we can access the information that is there in the null, that is there in the next. What is the next value? That is null. So, this could be the stopping condition the moment you encounter in the next field, null. It means that we need to stop traversing the singly linked list. That means we have arrived the last node of the singly linked list. Let us see the logic what is written. Final. So, let us number this while loop 1, 2, 3. The moment you call the display method, so temporary is equal to first. What is the first value? It is 200. 200 being allotted to temporary. First, if condition will fail, since temporary is not equal to null, then come to the while loop. In while loop, 200 not equal to null. Is it correct? Yes, the condition satisfies. It enters into the loop. It is trying to print 200's information. What is 200's information? 3. It prints 3. Next, temporary is equal to temporary of next. What is the temporary value? 200. Now, what is happening here is temporary is equal to 200 of next. 200 of next is 100. 100 will be allocated to the temporary. Let us see, since it is a while loop, it goes back to the first number. 100 not equal to null, the condition is satisfied. Then 100's information will be printed. What is 100's information? 100's information is 4. So, 4 will be printed. Then temporary is equal to 100 next. So, what is 100 next? 100 next is 300. So, 300 will be stored in the temporary. Again, since it is a while loop, comes back to the first point. So, what is the first point? 300 not equal to null. 300 not equal to null, and the condition satisfy 300's info. What is 300's info? 5. 5 will be printed. After 5 is printed, then temporary of temporary value will be updated with 300 to next. What is 300 to next value? 500. Again, it checks with the condition 500 not equal to null. The condition is successful. Then 500's info. What is 500's info? 500's info is 8. 8 will be printed. Here observe what is happening. Temporary is equal to 500 of next. What is 500 of next value? Null. That means currently temporary is equal to null. It comes back to the while loop, checks the condition, null not equal to null. Is the condition satisfied? null is not equal to null? No, null is equal to null actually. So, the condition failed, it comes out of the while loop. By then it has printed 3, 4, 5, 8 values that are there in the singly linked list.